Integrating Klaviyo with WooCommerce helps you leverage customer data for email marketing and automation. Follow these steps. Install Klaviyo plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, Add New and search for Klaviyo. Install and activate the Klaviyo plugin. Connect Klaviyo to WooCommerce. In WooCommerce, navigate to Settings, Integration, Klaviyo. Log into your Klaviyo account. Retrieve your public API key. Enter the API key in the WooCommerce Klaviyo integration settings. Sync customer data. After connecting, Klaviyo automatically syncs your WooCommerce customer data, including orders, products, and customer profiles. Ensure Klaviyo is syncing key information such as order status, abandoned carts, and customer email addresses. Set up email flows. In Klaviyo, create automated flows like abandoned cart, post-purchase, or welcome series tailored to WooCommerce customers. Use dynamic text to personalize emails. Test the integration. Place a test order or simulate an abandoned cart to confirm data sync. Check Klaviyo for updates and customer events.